Hey everybody, it's David Howard at BuzzBoard, continuing our series of videos exploring data in the BuzzBoard central database. We tend to do this through the lens of a digital marketing agency reaching out to small business, prospecting, looking for ways to engage. This week we are going to go to Cincinnati, Ohio, and we're going to explore the advertising category. So let's get started. There, we've got Cincinnati set up. There's the advertising category. Then we're going to search. And we don't want to look at any new profiles just yet. And we want to just clean up the filters a little bit. Because what I really want to show you is how you start from a top-down exploration of the data. In this case, we're in Cincinnati, looking at the advertising category. And we have 607 prospects available to us in the BuzzBoard central database. And if that's not enough, we can expand our geographic radius, search a little bit wider, so that number should increase. And it does. We're up about 1,000 now. And then, so we've looked at Cincinnati, we've expanded our geo radius, and then we're a digital agency that offers SEO, pay-per-click, website management. So we want to make sure they have a website. So let's turn that on, that filter. So make sure that they've got a website. And then we can look at advertising because we specialize as an agency in Facebook and Google Ads. So we're going to want to filter based on that. You can see our applied filters panel comes up here and tells you all the filters that are active. So now we're down to about 90 prospects. Normally what we do also, we have agencies, they tend to tell us that there's a sweet spot for this buzz score. And that's what this number is over here on the right-hand side. So the buzz score is an index from 0 to 100, higher number being better, lower number being not as good. And it's a measure of digital savviness or digital maturity of the business. And we calculate that comprised on a number of the signals that we collect on each business. You can see for this business, buzz score of 85, for this one buzz score of 84, and there's usually a sweet spot for agencies in the 50 to 75 range. If you approach somebody with too big of a buzz score, they might be too digitally savvy and may not need any of your help. And if you approach somebody with a buzz score that's too low, they might not have enough digital technology in place for you to work with, right? So maybe actually you're offering them a whole different set of services rather than pay-per-click management. It's like, I'm going to help you get digital, and that's a different prospect. So if we apply that filter, we're now down to about 64 prospects. And previously, I pulled up an agency, an advertising company in Cincinnati. So I'll show you how that works. So we're in the prospect tab, and what we're doing is we're filtering and selecting from the BuzzBoard central database those profiles that we want to add into the profiles tab, which is our specific subset of the BuzzBoard central database. And we can save these filters if we want to revisit them, and we can add each one individually from the prospecting central database to the profiles database. And I did that previously with this company, US Digital. Here are US Digital Partners. So you can see our AI machine generates a summary here. It offers digital marketing services like brand clarification, website design, and so on. Let's drill down a little bit. Pretty much all of our agencies, they love the SWOT report that comes up. Oh, and I'm sorry, there should be a SWOT back here. Went past it. So on this summary page, you get the SWOT analysis. SWOT, of course, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And before you outreach to a business, you draw on this report in BuzzBoard, and you examine their weaknesses and opportunities. And then you're looking to match that up with the services that you offer. So this is more than just researching the business and getting a phone number and a name to call. You're actually doing some in-depth analysis on their digital presence and then matching that up to the specialized products and services that you have to offer as an agency. And then you can start to build a pitch that speaks to that. So strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And let's go down into into content. We want to generate an email for them. And this is the SWOT analysis shows up here in the content as well. This is what I was looking for before. Then you come over to the emails. And so we have a generative AI machine that folds in all of the exhaustive data from our central database, over 6,000 signals per business, over 30 million businesses worldwide in the database. And we'll factor in the products and services that you have to offer. We can configure that in the system. And then when we generate an email, the AI machine pulls it all together and gives you a prospecting email that factors in what we know about the business and what you know about your products and services. So we're going to go down. We're just going to do one email. We're not going to do a cadence. So if you set it to 2, you'll get you'll get the 1 plus you get the start of a cadence. And we want to go to humorous because that tends to work for us. And let's see, recipients. No, I don't actually want to send it at this point. I just want to send it to myself. All right. And then we're going to generate that. And yes, we'll regenerate. Takes a moment. Yeah, and here we are with our email. So, hello, U.S. Digital Partners team. Did you know that there's a magical digital realm where ads become the customer's best buddies? You sure seem close to discovering it. Just like digital wizards, we've noticed your Google ads casting some powerful spells in the Cincinnati landscape. But wait, with 22 years on the web, isn't it time your Facebook and Instagram followers multiplied feature film style? So there's lots of ways you can do this. This is intended to be humorous and fun. We have a more conversational tone. What else we have here? No, it's up here. A more enthusiastic professional conversation. It's all up to you when you do this, and you can see how easy it is to do the generation. The other thing I want to show you is over here in the detailed analysis. Here we go. You can download a report. So you can download, and you can have it in a PowerPoint. You can have it in a PDF. You can have a compact short report or a detailed report. Earlier, I downloaded the detailed report, so let's pull that up. Should pop up on the screen. There we go. U.S. Digital Partners. There we go. My Adobe's taking a little bit of time to scroll. So in this report, you get a PDF of everything you're seeing on screen, and you are able to take that on your prospecting. Obviously, you want to read it and you want to match it up to your services, and then when you go to meet with the prospect, a lot of folks, you take this and say, look, here's this third-party analysis of your digital presence online. And it's pretty thorough, right? It goes through Google ads, display ads, an estimate of their monthly spend, reviews, you have positive reviews, negative reviews, or social media presence. This multi-screen compatibility section is basically website infrastructure. Do they have a responsive website, and so on. It's a great report. It's informative for you before you go out to reach these prospects as a digital agency, and it can actually be helpful when you go and meet with them. You can step them through the report and show them what we found from BuzzBoard through our analysis. So that's about it for this week. There we go. Want to leave you again with the profile screen, and encourage you to sign up for a free trial at www.buzzboard.ai. You can explore all of these tabs, the summary, detailed, competitive analysis, didn't get into that today, category insights, and then, of course, the AI-powered content generation. So by all means, hit the website, www.buzzboard.ai, and sign up for a free trial today. Thank you.